Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Blockchain Mode. As you know, this channel specializes in reviewing the newest and latest projects of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll talk again SMRT indicators. But before we start, there's one of two things we need to get out of the way. Every video on this channel is non-investment advice. We only try to share that awesome projects that seem to us as good projects worth talking about. So before make any trading decision, please do your research first. So guys, stick around to explore SMRT indicators and how these indicators can help you with today's trade. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and share with us your idea or your feedback about these indicators in the comments below this video. That was our introduction. Let's see you guys after the intro. Thank you. So guys, how I'm using SMRT Algo to trade today's crypto volatility, Bitcoin breakdown plus settings. This is the subject or the topic which we'll be covering in this episode. So what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Blockchain Modi. Today is June 17, 2025 and crypto is acting wild again. Bitcoin is sitting just about $105,000, down more than 1.2%, and Ethereum dropped over 2.5%, and the Ethereum plus the Bitcoin volatility just hit a multi-year high. Traders are panicking, charts are messy, and if you're not trading with a structure, you're probably getting wrecked. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I'm using SMRT Algo indicators right now. So live to stay calm, stay structured, and stay in the game. So let's get into it. If you guys missed our recent videos about this project, so SMRT Algo is a smart visual trading system that works inside TradingView. You get a buy plus and the sell plus channels, stop loss and take profit zones, money time candles, smart money concepts like the BOS and the CHOCH liquidity zones, and it works for crypto, forex, and stocks. It's a clean, powerful, and honestly help me make faster, smarter trade decisions without overcomplicating stuff. Now, as for pricing, if you guys remember what I covered in the last video, monthly plan is $87 per month. Quarterly plan is the $125 every 3 months. That's a 50% off. Lifetime access is $495 one time, down from $1,495. So if you use my affiliate link below, you'll get a discount of 25%, and it supports the channel anyway. So it's a win-win if you're planning to grab it anyway. So now let's start with the 1 hour chart. This is Bitcoin. SMRT gave us a sell signal on June 16 with a clear stop loss market at $108,000. Since then, Bitcoin has dropped hard. Right now into the green take profit zones. SMRT plotted take profit 1 at $104,000 and take profit 2 around $102,000 and take profit 3 sitting near $100,000. The crazy part, these zones were generated automatically by SMRT indicators. No guessing, just pure structure. Now for the 4 hour chart shows even more. We had a sell plus signal with a British change of character confirming the shift. Stop loss was placed around $108,000 and in the projected take profit 3 was way down at $95,000. That's a huge swing zone. This is exactly what I check higher time frame. It gave me the confidence to trust the 1 hour chart and not get shaken out too early. So on the daily chart, which is a real recommend to check before entering any trade, the macro still looks bullish overall. We had a buy plus channel back at $93,000, and as of now we're still trading above that structure zone. Take profit 1, 2, 3 are plotted all the way up to $124,000. So while short term we're in a retracement, longer term bulls aren't dead yet. So here is my play. I'm watching and waiting for a fresh buy plus on the 1 hour or 4 hour money time confirmations. If I get it, I'll re-enter long with the tie stop loss below SMRT's red zone and my eyes on the take profit 1 and 2. So what is my SMRT settings for volatility? So I'm using the Pro version 3 is on, that's my core signal in time. Smart money concepts on, so I get the BOS, the CHOCH change of character and liquidity zones. The momentum candles on, I want to see who in control bulls, the VS bears, and the stop loss and the take profit zone wide. I trust the system but reduce my position size. So no clutter, just what I need: simplicity, consistency, especially on the days like today. So quick tips: if you're trading in the market, use multiple time frames. Don't take the 1 hour signals blindly. Respect the stop loss zone. SMRT gives you volume and gives you SMRT gives you structure, not emotion. 3. Don't trade everything. Wait for a trend plus volume plus confirmation. Size down if the market messy and use alert. SMRT can ping you when the signal happen, so don't chase. So if you're ready to try SMRT Algo, you can use my link below. You'll get a discount no matter which plan you pick, monthly, quarterly, or lifetime. And yeah, I use this tool every day. I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't. So that's it for today's breakdown. If you've been trading this Bitcoin pullback, let me know in the comments how you handle it. Did you catch the short? Are you waiting for a long again? So hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and stay ahead for more videos about cryptocurrency. That was Modi from Blockchain Modi YouTube channel. See you guys in another video.